Welcome to the exciting world of IPTV apps. First, visit the best IPTV service online. Explore the diverse selection of IPTV options. Don't forget to check for special offers. Ready to make your purchase? Let's proceed. Create an account for a smooth experience. Enter your information carefully and proceed. Now, let's set up your IPTV app. Follow the prompts to install the application. Have you met Nancy? She's here to help. Reach out to Nancy for live support. Nancy will guide you through installation steps. Feel free to ask her any questions. Installation complete. Let's explore the app. Look at all the available channels and content. Select your favorite channel to start viewing. Enjoy seamless streaming with high-quality visuals. Customize your viewing experience to your liking. Explore different genres and shows available. Now, binge watch your favorite content non-stop. Don't forget to invite friends to join. Thank you for watching and enjoying with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.